This hair growth recipe I'm showing you right now is very powerful and effective to treat hair loss, hair thinning and baldness. So if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's proceed. The first ingredient we are going to start with is cinnamon powder, or you can use cinnamon sticks if you don't have cinnamon powder. Cinnamon is beneficial and can be used as a natural remedy for our hair. It is loaded with antioxidants and antimicrobial properties that help to protect the scalp and hair from free radicals, inflammation, and dandruff. The major benefit of cinnamon is that it helps to prevent hair loss and baldness. Cinnamon also helps to improve hair length, density, and can also help to promote a faster hair growth. Cinnamon can help to get rid of split ends. It penetrates easily to the hair follicles and helps to soothe dry scalp, thus helping to prevent split ends and removing dandruff from the scalp. Another important ingredient I'm going to be adding is nettle powder. You can also use dried nettle leaves if you have. So this is not the first time I'm using nettle. I have used it several times on my hair. Nettle contains many essential vitamins that can benefit your hair health. It has vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, D, and E. It also contains minerals like flavonoids, silica, and antioxidants. All these nutrients and vitamins contribute to healthy looking hair as well as providing a good scalp environment. The antioxidants, flavonoids, and vitamin C play a major role in stopping hair loss and adding luster to your hair, as well as protecting it from free radicals. Nettle is also very beneficial to our hair because it helps in blocking the formation of ADHD, a chemical that causes hair loss and hair thinning. Moving on to the next ingredient, we will be adding rice flour. You can also use rice instead of rice flour. So this is brown type of rice I'm using. You are free to use any type of rice that you have. Rice is rich in minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants that can be beneficial to your hair. It has vitamin B5 that helps to soften the hair, making it to grow wider and thicker. Rice also contains antioxidants. These antioxidants help to protect the hair against oxidative stress and sun damage. Rice is loaded with amino acids. The amino acids are building blocks of protein or keratin that makes up our hair, which means that rice has the potential to be a good strengthening treatment to our hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and transfer all the ingredients to a clean jar. Starting off with rice flour, I'm going to add only 2 tablespoons. I'm going to use only 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder and 1 tablespoon of nettle powder. This is because the 2 ingredients are very powerful and are very potent, so even half can be enough. You don't need to add too much of them. After putting all the ingredients to the jar, now I'm going to add water. The water I'm using is very hot. So always make sure to use hot water whenever you're infusing these ingredients. If you use cold water, the ingredients are not going to infuse very well and they are not going to infuse faster. After that, I'm going to stir the mixture and I'm going to cover it and leave it to infuse for 24 hours. So after 24 hours of infusion, this is how it looks. You can see there is a very big difference. The treatments changed the color to brown. Now let's proceed and strain out the treatment. So if you are watching this video up to this point and yet you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and also please give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it. So this is just the leftover. You cannot reuse it. I'm gonna throw it away. And this is how the treatment is looking. As you can see, the color is looking amazing and it looks very potent and effective. Right now I'm going to go ahead and transfer to this applicator bottle so I can go ahead and show you guys how to use to our hair. Now I'm gonna put on the nozzle and our hair growth treatment is ready for application. Let's proceed as I show you guys how to use to our hair. So first I'm going to unravel each twist at a time as I do with application. I like to start application from the roots of my hair as I move towards the tips. I also like to saturate my hair with the treatment. Once I saturate that section, I like to use my fingers to detangle and to distribute the treatment to make sure that each hair strand is coated.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us.
This treatment is very soothing. Once you apply it, you will feel a soothing effect on your scalp. That's because of cinnamon and nettle. These two ingredients work wonders. They will not only provide a soothing effect on your scalp, but also make your hair to grow faster. This treatment helps to increase hair thickness, stop hair loss, irritation, or any kind of scalp infections and dandruff. If you have thinning hair and weak edges or some bald spots, then you definitely need to use this treatment. The treatment should be used on both scalp and hair, but you need to pay more attention to your scalp and your problem areas. Massage the treatment to your problem areas and scalp, and you will notice a difference in a short period of time.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
You can use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week as a leave-in treatment and do not rinse it out if you want it to work effectively. I like to use hair growth sprays as leave-in treatments, and they have really changed my hair in terms of growth, thickness, and health. Once you're done applying the treatment to your hair, you can go ahead and apply your favorite hair butter, a leave-in conditioner or oil to protect your hair from drying out. So we're coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching and for your time. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.